In response to the escalating geopolitical tensions, Russia is increasing the production of the MiG-35 fighter jet, with a particular emphasis on prospective conflicts with Western nations. The United Aircraft Corporation announced its intention to commence large-scale production in 2025 in order to address the dwindling fleet of Russian aircraft, which has been affected by the ongoing conflict between Russia and Ukraine. The MiG-35's development is significantly impacted by a variety of strategic factors, including the ongoing conflict in Ukraine and the perceived necessity to counter Western aircraft, such as the F-16 and F-35. Russia's emphasis on the MiG-35 can be interpreted as a reaction to Ukraine's intention to incorporate F-16 fighter aircraft into its fleet. The MiG-35 is intended to compete with modern multirole fighters, and its capabilities have the potential to rival or even exceed those of the older F-16 variants that are currently being supplied to Ukraine. According to analysts, the MiG-35's advanced capabilities, including enhanced maneuverability and combat potential, render it a viable alternative to the F-16 in air-to-air combat. Russia's strategy may also entail the development of more cost-effective fighters, such as the MiG-35, that can surpass NATO capabilities, particularly the F-35, in addition to addressing specific threats. The MiG-35 is classified as a 4++ generation fighter, with the objective of offering sophisticated capabilities at a reduced cost in comparison to fifth-generation fighters such as the F-35. This method enables Russia to preserve a competitive advantage by potentially deploying a greater number of MiG-35s against NATO aircraft. Therefore, it is reasonable to question the necessity of developing the MiG-35 when Russia already has the formidable Su-35. The MiG-35 is predominantly intended to serve as a multirole fighter, capable of conducting both air-to-air combat and ground attack missions. It prioritizes operational autonomy and adaptability, which enables it to execute a diverse array of missions from frontline bases that are situated in close proximity to conflict zones. The Su-35 is predominantly an air superiority fighter with the objective of ruling the skies in the face of both enemy aircraft and ground targets. It is designed for long-range patrols and deep strike missions, rendering it appropriate for extended operations that occur outside of the base. Although both aircraft possess advanced technologies and capabilities, their design philosophies are indicative of distinct operational objectives. The MiG-35 is designed for adaptability in a variety of combat roles that are situated closer to the front lines, whereas the Su-35 is optimized for air superiority with extended operational capabilities. So how does the MiG-35 counter F-35? As mentioned, the MiG-35 is mainly intended to function as a multirole fighter, with a focus on adaptability in a variety of combat scenarios, such as air-to-air and ground attack missions. It is equipped with sophisticated avionics and weapon systems, including the Zhuk AE Active Electronically Scanned Array AESA radar, which allows it to simultaneously detect and engage multiple targets. The MiG-35 is able to maintain situational awareness in complex combat environments as a result of this capability. On the other hand, the F-35 is designed to exploit stealth technology, which offers a substantial advantage in terms of evading detection and engaging adversary forces from beyond visual range. Nevertheless, this emphasis on stealth is accompanied by a reduction in maneuverability when contrasted with conventional air superiority fighters. The F-35's design emphasizes advanced electronic warfare capabilities and a low radar cross-section, which enable it to effectively penetrate hostile defenses. The MiG-35's superior maneuverability is a result of its thrust vectoring capabilities and lighter airframe, which enable it to execute advanced aerial maneuvers that outperform those of the F-35 in dogfighting scenarios. Its effectiveness in close-range engagements is further enhanced by its design, which allows for high turn rates and sustained G-loads. Although the F-35 is capable of impressive maneuvers for a multirole aircraft, it is unable to rival the agility of dedicated air superiority fighters such as the MiG-35. The MiG-35 is capable of delivering a wide range of munitions, such as precision-guided explosives and air-to-air missiles, in up to 9 hardpoints. This enables it to engage multiple threats simultaneously, or adapt to a variety of mission profiles. The F-35's payload capacity is typically restricted by its design constraints, which are centered on stealth, resulting in a lesser amount of munitions than the MiG-35. The MiG-35 is capable of moving into hostile territory with its external fuel tanks, which extend its operational range to approximately 2,000 kilometers. Its operational flexibility is further enhanced by its robust fuel efficiency, which complements its range. The design priorities of the F-35 have resulted in a reduced range, but it compensates with advanced refueling capabilities. The combat effectiveness of the MiG-35 is improved by the integration of several next-generation technologies. The Zhuk-AE active electronically scanned array radar is capable of tracking multiple airborne targets and exhibiting high situational awareness, all while resisting electronic countermeasures. This capability enables it to engage covert adversaries more effectively than previous models. Featuring thrust vectoring for improved maneuverability, the MiG-35 is capable of reaching velocities of up to Mach 2.25 and is equipped with two RD-33Mk engines. In contrast, the F-35's radar-evading profile provides a substantial advantage in evading detection. However, it is dependent on electronic warfare systems and data fusion for situational awareness rather than sheer maneuverability. The development of the MiG-35 is of strategic importance as Ukraine prepares to incorporate F-16s into its fleet, potentially countering Russian air power. It is not only a response to Western aircraft, but it also reflects Russia's broader military strategy of sustaining parity with NATO forces through cost-effective yet capable platforms. The MiG-35 is a credible threat to NATO's F-35 due to its superior maneuverability, advanced avionics, and high payload capacity. The MiG-35's operational flexibility and dogfighting capabilities could be advantageous in contested environments, despite the F-35's superior stealth and multirole capabilities. The MiG-35 is a compelling alternative that should not be underestimated, despite the fact that the F-35 remains a cutting-edge fighter jet with demonstrated capabilities. The MiG-35 is engineered to function efficiently in a variety of combat scenarios, such as aerial reconnaissance and ground force support, and it can carry a maximum of approximately 8 missiles. Its design philosophy prioritizes adaptability, weaponry, and agility, qualities that could potentially challenge NATO's aerial dominance in future conflicts. It will be essential to understand these differences in order to evaluate the air power strategies of both parties as military dynamics change and new threats arise. In the future, the MiG-35 is expected to stay in service for several decades, with projections suggesting that the final units produced may continue to operate until 2078. Nevertheless, the Russian Aerospace Force is expected to continue using more established platforms such as the Su-30SM and Su-35S until the MiG-35's capabilities are fully realized and demonstrated in combat scenarios. Now, do you think Russia made a mistake by not inducting MiG-35 beforehand? Let us know in the comments. Please like and share our videos and subscribe to our channel. Please also take membership in our channel to encourage us.